What's the meaning of block and tackle? Block and tackle. Block and tackle.
Block and tackle. Block and tackle. Block and tackle is a mechanical arrangement consisting of one or more pulleys, ropes, or cables that are used to lift heavy objects with less effort. The system works by increasing the force applied to the object being lifted, making it easier to move a heavy load. Block and tackle systems have been used for centuries in a variety of applications, including shipbuilding, construction, and transportation. By using block and tackle, people can lift objects that they would not be able to move otherwise. This mechanical advantage has made block and tackle an essential tool for industries that require moving heavy loads, making it a valuable invention that has helped shape our modern world.